YouTube deleted my 100,000 viewed, or actually to be exact, it's 92,000 viewed video.
Alrighty guys, we're on our way to where are you guys?
House tour.
Food? That was free.
We got caramelizer blended, right?
Yeah, why not no caramel?
And caramel. And then I got soft top on mine. Brandon likes his plain. Okay guys, so it's early in the morning and we just picked up the U-Haul. We're moving, so what is this, where am I going? Oh my god, I hate driving stuff, and it's so big. We got the biggest U-Haul and it was too big for me to like drive, so Brandon's behind me with the U-Haul. I don't know if you guys can see, but poor thing. See him in the U-Haul. It's so huge. When we stop, I will get out and show you guys. He's probably like, oh my gosh, this U-Haul is way too big. Anyways, you guys, we just got back home. Look at this big truck Brandon is driving. My dad's like guiding him in. This truck is so big and they wanted me to drive it. No ways. The biggest truck I ever drove was a GMC Lifted Sierra, like my old truck that I had up here. And that is the most I drove. I was not about to drive this big truck. Like, they crazy. Woo, it's hot. How's it driving there? It's so big, yeah?
It's alright.
They wanted me to drive. They're crazy. Woo! Not for sale, not for sale. That's my brother. Okay, it's been a busy 2 days. We're moving out, so we look crazy. Sweating, moving, late night cleaning, late night moving, and we're tired. Right now we're at Subway getting something to eat. Well, I can't eat Subway. I mean, my teeth isn't sore. It's just like, it feels weird when I'm trying to bite into something. It doesn't feel the same. And my swelling's going down on my lip. But I notice my lip gets a little bit drier faster now that I have. Yes. I'm still in my pajamas. But we did get Carmex Classic Lip Balm medicated because I noticed my lip. Oh my lordy, it melted. Look at that, it melted. It melted in the car. What time is it? How much degrees is it? It's 102. Got it in my mouth. Look, it's in the cap. Oh my god, that was nasty. Anyways, I can't wait to do my lashes, you guys. I do my lashes next week Monday. I do my lashes. I'm so excited. I had to wait till my lashes grew back because I had lash damage, and I was using this. I'll show it when I unpack. I'll show what I use, but I was using, there's Hair Grow. If you guys hear the AC, I'm so sorry. My son's back there and he's hot. Okay guys, I'm at Taco Bell. So quick update before I order. I'm gonna try my best to look in the lens, but I'm just making sure that it's focused and that you guys can see me good and like the sun and stuff. So that's why I'm always looking at the viewfinder. But I just got into Taco Bell line. I shouldn't be eating Taco Bell. Update on my teeth really quick. I still have a little pain left. It's day 5 with my braces. I still talk funny. It's not as bad, and it's not what do you call it, like rubbing as much as it was the first couple of days. The first couple of days are always rough. Your teeth either sore as heck. Fortunately, this time around my teeth barely hurt. Like it hurt the second day, I believe, or the third day. It hurt. When I would bite down, it felt weird and like some type of like pressure pain. I don't know if that makes sense, but it wasn't like a pain. I really do miss doing YouTube. People think like, oh my gosh, you're a YouTuber. Like, I'm not a famous YouTuber, but I used to do YouTube. YouTube deleted my 100,000 viewed, or actually to be exact, it's 92,000 viewed video. They took it down because I went against policies, but then I tried to appeal it and they told me that I couldn't appeal it. But then there's so many other videos that exist of the same one that I did. So it's not fair, and I wanted to email them because that video got my channel monetized. I had 92,000 views. I got most of my subscribers from that video. Actually, a lot of my videos were like in the 1,000 views, you know. And you guys know that coming from a small YouTuber, it's hard to get views, you know. If you're not like, if nobody's watching your stuff, like you get discouraged easily, and it's hard building a YouTube channel. Okay guys, I got my food. I got a large Pepsi. I got the cheesy gordita crunch box, or crunch deluxe box. I got chips and cheese. I'll show you guys how it looks eating these braces. And then Chosen's having he's having a go-go squeeze. It's 106 outside. I'm gonna attempt to eat my cheesy gordita crunch taco. I put my mild sauce. Son, can I take a bite first? Okay, ready? Not bad.
It's embarrassing looking back at them now. Oh, I need a choppy. Alright guys, watch Mel get smoked at speed. Give us 1,000 likes, we'll recreate our water challenge.
Oh my god, we should react to those old videos, yeah?
No, that's
Reaction
fucking
videos.
sickening.
Why?
Disgusting.
We should react to it, it's funny. How come the lighting is like that? Oh, there it is. It should automatically.
Because I just binned something on the other side.
Oh, shit. Oh, wait, what is this? Jack missing.
You take it.
Yeah, I'll take it. What's that?
You did shuffle these hoes good.
I did. Ah, get your ass out of here. Hey. Sweet. Why do you have... What? Where's the baby?
She lost again. 2.
Legend, where's your brother? Oh god.
Gotta get. Alrighty, guys, we're on our way to. Where are you going?
House touring.
But your camera's also locked up.
Shut up. Oh, I think I have my charger in my bag.
Well, we gotta get these. Oh. It's taking me to get my braces tightened.
And then Zayden's also gonna
Recover.
put us on his. He's gonna give Mompreneur Chronicles a shout out. So if you want to see me in a vlog, go to Mompreneur Chronicles. You can see me vlog.
See y'all when we get to either the dentist appointment or Christy's shop. Alright, y'all, so she just took me. I got teal. Took about like 30 minutes. Now we're at Christy's shop.
She's coming. Oh.
Come to, if you guys live over here, I'm not gonna say never mind. Never mind!
What?
I was gonna say where we're at if you guys come. Next. Alright. Let's go. Let's go.
Uh-oh. Hello, honey. Where are you going? No, it's dirty.
Oh yeah, the floor's dirty. We got a mop. But everything just for like tears, whatever. Good tears, right? Okay, let me show you.
Wait, slow. Slow. Wow. Yeah. Nice, honey.
These are kind of what I want to put up. So this is kind of the actual walls. And this
Uh-oh. You flip over. Come on. You flip over. Uh-oh. Wow. I'm at my mom's shop. I'm gonna make me a tea, Herbalife tea. I'm gonna do the ice over there and then come back to this section. This is called Pineapple Express. It has strawberry tea. It has tea and strawberry flavor and then pineapple at the top and then limoy as a topping. So good. Okay, we're at my mom's shop. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this music in the back, but I just came to make me a tea. And then my brother had a dentist appointment for his braces, so that's what we did. But yeah, if you guys are in the Saginaw area, I'll put their address and you can stop by, get a tea. Thank you. It's all vegan.
So we're at Chick-fil-A. Oh, my turn. We're at Chick-fil-A. Gotta get something to eat while I can, cause these braces are.
Chosen, honey.
So clear.
Chosen, honey.
Chosen.
He's like, what are you doing?
I don't know if you guys remember me.
I'm pretty sure you guys do.
Mel will put up a little clip from the water.
From our old videos.
Or
No,
old
laugh
videos.
again. All kind of videos of us. Our Taco Bell mukbang.
I think we got the boxes.
Yeah, we did. And then we also did the water challenge, the Taco Bell mukbang. We did the Ace Family Spot challenge. We did the Mentos and soda one. We also did. Zayden was featured in almost all my videos.
Yeah.
We should definitely make a video reacting to all those old videos. Like cringe, like. Yeah, we should.
Watching our old cringy video.
Oh.
Comment down below. I hate being like that.
That is hilarious.
Melody, it's gonna be $12 even. So
Okay.
Meal medium fry and lemonade and 3 Chick-fil-A sauce.
One second.
1 second.
I guess we're tired again.
Oh, we're using the card again.
Okay, so I thought it was gonna be cash.
Oh, sorry.
I thought so too.
Thank you.
Back
You
in
too.
there, por favor.
They give you a card right away?
Yeah.
What? They print it out right there? That's some bullcrap.
Yeah, that navy fit.
Sweet.
Okay. Awkward. I get kind of embarrassing on the camera.
Girl. Yes. Okay, that's yours. Thank you.
Got that Chick-fil-A.
I gotta play with this settings. It's so bright. Oh my gosh, look at my house in the back.
Keep that in.
That is so hilarious.